Hi guys! Welcome to our cooking vlog. We are the Group 5 and we are going to teach you today on how to make a glutinous rice cake or traditionally known as biko.
The first thing to do is to prepare the needed raw materials and the ingredients. So, we have here 1 kilo of glutinous rice, 1/2 kilo of brown sugar, and 1/2 kilo of muscovado sugar. And lastly, we have a coconut milk. Next step, we're going to cook the rice. So, we asked for Lola Lolita's guidance on how much water to add to the rice. After we grate the coconut, we will add 2 cups of water, and then we will squeeze until the coconut milk is fully extracted. The next step is to heat the pan. The pan is ready, so we will put the coconut milk. We will pour the coconut milk over to the pan, and then we will wait until it will boil. So we will gradually stir the coconut milk, gradual stirring until it will simmer and dense until it will become dense and it will turn into a brown color. We will put the cooked rice in the pan. We will stir and stir until it will be absorbed, until the dense sauce, the coconut milk, is being absorbed by the cooked rice. After that, we will let it sit for 15 minutes, so it will be cooked, fully cooked. Cooked for 15 minutes, and then we will lower the heat so that it will not be overcooked. So after we transfer the cooked glutinous rice cake in the bowl, we will add the toppings. This is the toppings that is made from also a coconut milk. Family recipe, the lunok. So we will add the lunok on top of it. It will serve as the toppings, as a flavor. And then viola. We have our biko with lunok on top, or glutinous rice cake.